I'm supposed to be going out. Like, I needed to look like a snack, and I look like a snack, okay? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I don't know about y'all, but I have been searching for the perfect holiday wig, and this one from Love Me Hair is definitely giving that. This is their Fiery Copper Compact Frontal Wig, and I'm going to be showing you how I install this using my bow-toed lace glue, plus how I style it with some barrel curls. If you want to see all the deets, stay tuned. This is the packaging, and yes y'all, it's a nice little sturdy box. It came with a wig cap, a little pouch, a satin hair tie, bobby pins, an extra wig band, an edge control brush, you never can have too many of those, a Love Me hair clip, tweezers, and a pamphlet with instructions on how to care for the hair. For the real reason y'all clicked on this video, the hair. So this is a compact frontal wig, which basically is another way of saying this is a frontal wig that doesn't have that much parting space, at least not on the sides. The middle part when measured is a little less than 4 inches, and the sides are about 1.5 inches. It also is a bit angled to one side for a side part situation, which is good if that's your parting side, but mine in this case was the opposite, so I had to finesse it a little bit. There are clips in the inside of the wig plus a wig band. I did do some minimal tweaking to the wig, such as bleaching the knots, really because I wanted to see what would happen, but it just turned a lighter red. And I plucked quite a bit out of the frontal, as you can see. This is the unit after washing, blow drying, and straightening it. This was a lot easier than usual because I got this new drying mannequin head from Amazon, and it literally makes drying hair a breeze, pun intended. It has holes all over so that the hair and cap dries evenly, and it gives you the flexibility to do other things while your hair is drying, which is a luxury in and of itself. So make sure to click in the description box below for the link to it. Here is the frontal up close and personal. It looks pretty good. Now, once I get to tinting the lace, it's gonna be perfection, or as close to perfection as we can get it. For the install, I'm using the Bold Hold Wig Adhesive. I only apply one thin layer, and that holds the wig in place, y'all. Once it's a bit dry, I pull the wig down and I cut it so there's a little bit of lace left over that I can go back and shape to my actual hairline. I feel like plucking pre-colored wigs is another monster that I have yet to master, and the more that I look at this hairline, I still feel like I should have plucked more. Now, if you guys have any tips for this, let me know, but in the meantime, I'm definitely going to practice this more. Once I have everything nice and laid, I'm going to wrap it up with the scarf that came with the hair. I do recommend using, what are those things called? An elastic band if you have one. I'd lost mine in my move, so I'm not sure where it is, so I'm just going to use this for now. While that's setting, I'm going to start curling the back so I can pin that up and do my makeup. Once I finished my makeup, I took the scarf off so I can add some powder around the edges just to blend the hairline a tad bit more. And then I'm going to finish curling the top. Since I was doing a side part, I waited till the end because I didn't know what side I wanted to do, and I wanted to make sure that I curled it correctly. Now, again, I'm still trying to learn the tricks of the trade when it comes to doing curls on shorter hair. I feel like we're going through a lot of firsts here together, guys. And I mean, it's not first, but it's just like I still have things that I want to work on and improve at. And this is one of them. In this case, I think I need, or maybe I just wanted a smaller curling iron so that the curls would actually look like curls and not just like I bumped the ends or something. But hey, my curling iron got the job done. For the flyaways, I used my wax stick from Cara Care and some Got To Be hairspray and lightly pressed those hairs back down. On my part, I actually used some foundation to make it look even more crisp, which I've realized is so much better than powder because it's a little bit more liquidy and penetrates the lace a lot better. And that is all she wrote, folks. This is a final look and I am loving it. What do you guys think? I think we did that. Like, it's been a while since I've installed a unit. Really? I mean, I did my braided one, but I mean like just hair and like curling. Like, it's just been a really long time since I've done that because of my move, which if y'all haven't seen that video of my new apartment, make sure to check up here right there to see my new apartment, which is where I'm filming at right now. I do need to get some stuff for the back because I just feel like y'all just looking at a blank wall and I don't like that. But yeah, I haven't been installing wigs, so I'm super excited that I got to try this one, and it's pretty much like holiday ready. I feel like this is such a holiday hairstyle and color. I will say that I really do love this hair. The quality is really good. The only thing that kind of sucks is it doesn't hold a curl all that well. Like, it's holding, but not like, y'all seen how curly it was. Like, it's only been like 15 minutes. It should still be up and, you know, stuff, but that's besides the point. And this side don't even look like I did anything to it, but I very clearly did. So overall, I really like this hair. I love the way that it looks on me. I never knew I was gonna be like a redhead girl, but I think I'm a redhead girl. Like, I think it's working for me and I'm here for it and whatnot. Now, I will say I did pluck the frontal a tremendous amount, and I still feel like it doesn't look that natural. I don't know what y'all think, let me know down below, but it's still, I plucked a lot, like a big ball full of hair. Y'all seen it, and I plucked more after that, so I don't know why it doesn't look like that. I don't know if it's because it's red hair, because usually with my black wigs I could it gets where I need to go, but I feel like with the red I was just plucking and plucking and plucking and plucking, and it was like, no, I'm gonna stay how I was. But I'm just like, I done plucked half the hair out. Like, I don't understand. Shout outs to Love Me Hair for sending me this hair. It is so tea. Like, y'all need to go ahead and get this unit. It's so good. Okay, now I do wish that the frontal was a little more back because the whatchamacallit, the tracks is right here. Like, that's not that much parking space. But for the price, like, you get what you get, and I feel like this was a pretty good deal. And it just looks amazing. Like, so excited. Absolutely nobody. But yeah, I really love this hair, y'all. I'm like, if y'all can't tell, like, I'm really feeling it. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, staying tuned, making it to the end of this video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. And of course, thumbs this video up because you know we like to see Shayna doing the thing, okay? The Disney. Ask about me. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.